Welcome back, students. So I am here with one more question, and this question, it is from the chapter On the Face of It, Visitors. So now the question is here. Mr. Lamb calls Derek, it means Derry in short, his friend, while Derek refuses his affirmation, but still he refuses Mr. Lamb's affirmation as a friend. Would you consider the relationship with each other as friendship? So the question is asked, what do you think? Yes or no? Support your answer with this and this text or this and this chapter on the face of it. See now, first of all, here in this question, you will explain or you will have to define what is meant by friendship. Where we know friendship means where the trust comes or the faith comes. We used to accept the drawbacks of each other, all these things. So here comes friendships. So first of all, you will explain something about friendship, their relationship. Then later on, you will go to the chapter or the lesson on the face of it here. And you will collect only few instances which are enough to prove the statement that really there was a friendship between these two, Mr. Lamb and Derek. We know that Mr. Lamb, he was having an artificial leg or a teen leg, and Derek, whose one side of face that is burnt by acid. It means both are physically impaired, challenged. One's having artificial leg, teen leg, another's one side of face is burnt by acid. So after describing friendship or the meaning of the friendship, then you come back to Mr. Lamb's attitude, his especially attitude towards life, positive attitude. We know that Mr. Lamb, that he was having the positive attitude for the life. For example here, Mr. Lamb, a kind, generous fellow, positive attitude, practical outlook. Though having artificial leg, he takes life as it comes, without grumbling, without complaining. He loves all creatures of God and states, everything that he loves, that he takes life as it comes, that he enjoys each and every moment. This man, Mr. Lamb, it means having positive attitude towards life, his optimism, his maturity. Only I wrote here points that you will make sentences. Just these are the suggested points. Clear? So his optimism, maturity, accepting Derek's will, his imperfections, everything that he accepted. This is what we can say. We can call it friendship. Accepting our friends' drawbacks, imperfections, each and everything. So then calls him as a friend. Though Jerry that he is having a negative attitude towards life, that he blames the people, still Mr. Lamb calls Jerry as his friend. And he says that there are no enemies. It means when Derek asked him that how many friends do you have, that time he said hundreds of the friends, Mr. Lamb. It means I have no enemy there. So then, up to Mr. Lamb's attitude, coming back to Derek's now. Derek's we know, it means in short Derek. How is he there? Derek, whose one side of face is burnt by acid, repulsive, ugly boy, vulnerable boy, desires, love and acceptance. Clear? So this is what a young boy, full of bitterness, withdrawn and complexed. He wants to live alone, and in the search of that loneliness that he comes in the garden. Clear? So this is what Derek's attitude. Gradually, slowly, when he came in contact with, in touch with Mr. Lamb, that he opens up. And he finds his company appealing. Whose company? Mr. Lamb's company. It means now the change starts here. So he argues. His condition has made him bitter. Then he explains, Derry to Mr. Lamb, attitude of the people looking towards him there. It means people that they have made his attitude better there. People are responsible, people's behavior. For that he gave the example when he was standing at the bus stop. The conversation between the women that he or the ladies that he has given there. So then, but Mr. Lance, it seems that Mr. Lance's words inspired trust enough to him in Derek's or the ladies. So that's why at the end of this chapter we know that he comes back to the garden after going to home. Once again, after some time, that he comes back to the garden, Mr. Lamb's garden. And so that's why this is a bond. He comes back, it means there is developed a bond between these two characters, Mr. Lamb and Jerry Derek, at the end of this chapter. So this bond can call it a friendship. So this is what a friendship. It means, children, here we have to first of all give the definition of the friendship and then go to the text, then collect some instances, explain Mr. Lamb's attitude, his nature, then Derek's, his attitude, his behavior, nature, all these things, and then finally what happens, how Mr. Lamb's, that he inspired Jerry or Derek, and finally Derek changed his attitude, and so that's why he come back to the garden. So this bond, that we can call it as a friendship. So in this way that children you will describe this question. That's all from me. Thank you and have a nice day.